Hey guys, I am Dr. Ahmed, and if you want personal assistance for your letter evaluation and for speaking sub-test, you can directly email us for personal evaluation of your letters and speaking sessions. I have given my email address in the description of this video, so you can directly contact us for your evaluation. Thank you very much. Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Faraz Ahmed, and today we will discuss about the usage of connectors or linking words in our letter writing for OET. Okay, so guys, if you know how to use connectors or linking words properly, you can improve your writing techniques and you can ultimately get a very good score in your OET writing sub-test. So we will discuss a letter writing in this video, and we will discuss this letter writing with the help of connectors. So don't worry at all after seeing this slide. Now I will tell you how you can use these connectors one by one in your letter writing. So this is address of our OET letter, and everyone knows how to write this letter, this address in your OET letter writing. So after address we move to the introductory paragraph. So we can use a connector with regard to in our introduction of OET letter. Okay, like you can write, I am writing with regard to Mr. Walker. If you don't want to use, you can simply write, I am writing to refer Mr. Walker. Okay. A 40-year-old man whose clinical features are related to prostatic enlargement or prostatic cancer. You can use whatever is given in your case note. If you want to use with regard to, it's good. If you don't want to use, don't use at all. Okay. After introductory paragraph, we move to social history paragraph, in which social history, past medical histories, any allergic history, personal history which is related to your diagnosis, you should mention here. So we can start this paragraph with connectors in terms of a regarding. So if you want to use in terms of, you can start in terms of his medical history, or you can also use regarding his family history. Put a comma here. His father is diagnosed case of prostatic cancer and his mother is hypertensive. So now I will tell you how to use connector please note or please note that. If there is some important information, that is allergic status or some smoking status, some drinking status, you can use the important status with please note. If you want to use please note, then you should use a comma here. If you don't want to use comma, you can use please note that he smokes 20 cigarettes per day and drinks 2 to 3 beers a week. You can also write please note he is allergic to penicillin or some other drug. Okay guys, so after introduction and social history paragraph, now we will move to our visits in our letter. So first of all, we will write first visit in non-emergency referral letter with initially on this date. So in this visit, in initial visit, we can use these connectors like apart from, in addition, consequently, along with, subsequently, or on subsequent visit. So let me tell you now how we can use these connector in our letter. So look here, initially on this date, Mr. Walker came for a regular checkup. His systemic examination was unremarkable apart from the blood pressure of. Okay, so you can use apart from in this way, apart from the blood pressure of 165 or 90 with a regular pulse. Okay, so if we want to add something else, we can use additionally or in addition. In addition, put a comma. He was overweight and his urinalysis was normal. So you have done the examination presenting complaint and examination finding. Now what you have done, so we will use consequently, therefore, as a result, for this reason. So you can use any one of them. You can use consequently, you can use therefore, as a result, for this reason. PSA test was ordered and he was advised to lose weight along with smoking cessation. okay, along with smoking cessation. So in this way, this is very important sentence. Here 5 connectors you can add in this type of sentence, okay. So you can see how we can add along with. A review was scheduled in 1 month. So after 1 month, when patient will gain on review visit, you can write subsequently. It's mean on a review visit. You can simply write subsequently, or you can write on subsequent visit. Then you have to put comma. There was no improvement in his or in her condition. So in this way you can write subsequent visit, okay. Then now I will tell you that how you can add today's visit and how you can use connectors in your today's visit. So we can use on review today, and we can also use on today's visit, okay. Whatever you use, you have to put comma after that. Mr. Walker presented with a complaint of discomfort and urination. Additionally, he reported. So in the last in first visit I tell you how we can use in addition, and here we are using additionally. He reported a reduction in smoking to 10 cigarettes per day, as well as loss of 8 kg weight. So in this paragraph I have told you how we can use on today's visit, how we can use additionally, how we can use as well as. So this is again very important paragraph, and we are using 3 connectors here, okay. Then in the conclusive paragraph we can use based on. The best way is we should write in light of the above, but if you want to use based on, it is a connector, then we can also write it based on the above information or based on the above. I am referring Mr. Walker into your care for expert management, and whatever is given in your case note you can mention here. So guys, here we have completed our letter, and we have learned how we can use some connectors in writing the letter. But there are some other important connectors or linking words as well, which we were not able to use in this letter. So you can use them in some other type of letters. So now I will tell you how you can use them. Let's move. So however is an important linking words or connector which we can use in many type of letter, like you can mention Mr. Taylor is non-smoker since 2010, however he drinks heavily. If you have to join some contrasting ideas, then you can use however, like Mr. Taylor is non-smoker but he drinks heavily. Don't use but, you should use however. And note at the position of semicolon and comma. Semicolon, if you are using however between the sentence, semicolon should be put before the however, and then after however you have to put comma, okay. If you are using however in start of sentence, like his chest x-ray and CT scan revealed right middle lobe atelectasis which enlarged right hilum, however, then you will put comma after however if you are mentioning however in start of the sentence. His sputum cytology was normal. So guys, this is very important connector however, and you can see how you can use it. Next is in order to. If you are using in order to in start of the sentence, you should use comma, like in order to alleviate pain, comma, paracetamol was commenced, okay. If you are using in order to between the sentence, there is no need of any semicolon or comma, like he was advised to consult physiotherapist in order to lose weight, okay. And now another important connector linking word is although. So if you are you want to mention although between the sentence, this is very important. You have to put comma before although, not after although. If you are using although before sentence, then you will put comma in after although, like Mr. Hoffman reported non-compliance to the prescribed drug, comma, although she was agreed to be seen by a physiotherapist. If you want to use although in start, then you will use in this way. Although Miss Hoffman was non-compliant to the medication, comma, she was agreed to be seen by a physiotherapist. So guys, this is how we can use although in our OET letter writing. The last slide, important one are followed by or following. Followed by or following are the connector words. Both are used in between the sentence, so I will tell you how you can use them. Followed by, all her blood reports were normal except for low hemoglobin, for which blood transfusion was done, followed by oral iron supplements. Okay. Following, I am writing to update you regarding Mr. Wilkinson, a 49-year-old real estate agent who is being transferred into your specialist care following initial management of an anginal attack. So guys, these are the important connectors. You can use them in your OET letter writing. This is very important video, so I think this video will help you how you can use the connectors to improve your writing and to get a good score in writing sub test of your OET exam. So thank you very much. Please follow the guidelines and share this video with your friends and your fellows who are preparing for OET exam. In this way you can improve your writing and you can get a very good score. So thank you very much for watching the video. I wish you good luck for your OET exam. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Hey guys, I am Dr. Ahmed, and if you want personal assistance for your letter evaluation and for speaking sub test, you can directly email us for personal evaluation of your letters and speaking sessions. I have given my email address in the description of this video, so you can directly contact us for your evaluation. Thank you very much.